ready to do something.
I'm ready to do something too. We're gonna make
Bobby.
We're gonna make a monster club.
Well, how about giving me that chicken?
Oh yeah.
So I can get started on this monster club. First thing we want to do, y'all, is cook off our chicken breast.
There's 4 of them in there.
I was gonna say you marinated 4. There's no way I can eat 2. I got a big appetite, but not that much.
While you're grilling the chicken, I'm gonna make a really nice herb mayonnaise.
Okay. Love an herb mayonnaise. What all are you gonna put in it?
Well, I'm gonna zest this lemon.
All right, I'm gonna slice us up some tomatoes. And when I'm putting tomatoes on my sandwich, I kind of like them nice and thin. See how pretty those are, y'all? All right, I'm gonna season these just a wee little bit. There you go.
All right, Mama, I'm getting the thyme chop. This is fresh thyme right out of your garden. Maybe a teaspoon of fresh thyme.
Okay. Thyme smells good.
It does. About a cup of a regular mayonnaise and a tablespoon of white vinegar.
Okay. And my breasts are coming along good, and I kind of rotated them on my grill.
Oh, good.
See, like this.
Oh, yeah, those are beautiful. You know, I love a club sandwich.
I know you do.
I love a piece of grilled chicken. That's just gonna make it perfect.
Yeah, this is gonna be so good.
You wanna try the mayo and see what you think?
I do. That's delicious, son.
Well, let's put them together.
Okie doke.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and prep our bread, and I'm not stingy with the mayo. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
I do. Go ahead and help you start to layer this.
Okay.
Munster cheese for our Munster club.
Yum. We've got bacon and we've got ham. I'm gonna give each sandwich 2 nice thin slices of tomato. Bobby, if you'll grab our tin foil, because we're gonna put our sandwiches in a little foil wrap, and we're gonna put them on the grill. And I have these wonderful little bacon presses. So it's kind of gonna be panini-like. And they look ready, son.
Golly, that looks very, very good.
Doesn't it look very, very good? All right, son, there's you. One monster club you can wrap up.
We might not have enough tinfoil.
I know. And there's the other one, Sonny boy. We're getting very, very close to a wonderful, cozy meal here.
We kind of make a little present out of it.
Did somebody say present?
All right, they're both wrapped and ready to go back on the press whenever you want to.
Well, I think we're ready, son, because our soup is certainly ready. If you'll put that one down here at this end, and we're just gonna press it and weight it down with our little bacon presses. How's that for Monster Club, y'all? Okay, Bobby, I think they're ready, son.
Is it time?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, wow, that soup smells so good.
And I'm just gonna serve our sandwiches right in the foil.
In the fall?
In the
fall? What?
In the foul.
Okay. Let's tear into one of these clubs, see what it looks like.
This is a wonderful, delicate, light taste. And the Italian seasoning from our turkey sausage has an element of surprise. Look at this sandwich.
Looks great, doesn't it? Need a hand?
Yes, would you clap for me, please? There you go, son. Look at that. Look at the juice, y'all, from the tomatoes. Heating those tomatoes up, it just brought every bit of the juice out. I think Bobby's ready to cozy up, even with his old mama.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.